Now inverting a transformation. Inverting of transformation means we have the expression of frame B with respect to A, but we want to determine the expression of A with respect to B. We know transformation of B with respect to A, which is mathematically equal to this matrix, and we want to know the transformation of A with respect to B. Means we want inverse, which we defined as the inverse of this matrix. We just found out its adjoint by interchanging the diagonal elements. Means one comes to here and rotation of B with respect to comes to here, and negative signs on the non-diagonal elements. This is 0 0 0, it remains same, and we just add the minus, and this the determinant of this matrix is equal to A R B minus 0. And then we know that the inverse of a rotation matrix is equal to the transformation. So here transformation of a rotation matrix, a transpose of a rotation matrix comes, and we multiply the each element of this matrix with a transpose of a rotation matrix, and this is the inverse of ABT. Means this is the matrix which defines the transformation of frame A with respect to V, and means this description represent the transformation of B with respect to A, and this opposite direction represent the transformation of this frame A with respect to B.